Hello and welcome to another Andrew Marson Fitness meal prep video. Today is going to be a quick and easy stir fry option. This is a great dinner option as well, or you can put it aside for your lunches. Thai prawn pad Thai, amazing, very simple, takes about 10 minutes to put together, very quick and easy. Let's get into it. This is everything you're going to need. So we've got some fine egg noodles. You can swap for whole wheat or any other noodles, to be honest. Some free range eggs. Some seasonings are going to be garlic, onion, chilli and paprika, sweet chilli, soy sauce, peanuts, peas, some stir fry mix and some prawns. Again, you can swap this out for chicken or mince even that I've used. You can swap the meat out, to be honest, whatever you want, whatever you like. But today we're making prawns. Now this is probably about as easy as a recipe gets. These are cooked as well, so you don't even need to worry about that. You're just kind of heating them up and mixing them through. So I'll put those prawns in first. Then just give them a mix about. And I'm also going to add in the seasons at this point as well. I'm going to season it twice. I just find that doing that works out better. So kind of doing it half and half rather than putting it all in at the one time. Use about a teaspoon of each. As you can see, I'm just eyeballing it. But if you actually want to weigh it out and kind of measure it out for yourself, then that's what I suggest you go with. So we've got the prawns in the go there. Next, in goes 2 eggs. So one, try not to throw the shell in. And that'll essentially just get scrambled about in there as well. To the side out the road. Now you'll see on the background is the noodles. They are going to take 3 to 4 minutes. I'll just set, do you know what, I'm actually just going to judge it because the phone is actually recording just now, but I'll try them and then about 3 to 4 minutes in, I'll add in the noodles. Next, straight in, no messing about. I'm going to use half this bag. I'll be using this for other recipes during the week. Just adding around half the bag and folding it in like that. Then in go my peas as well. Again, I'm just eyeballing all this stuff. It doesn't need to be perfect or, you know, bang on to a certain amount. If you can get a rough idea for what you need, that's going to do you. Again, second round of the seasonings again. Always add in the second round after the veggies went in, just so that it's getting some kind of seasoning at both stages and it's getting mixed through well rather than all just kind of clumping together. I'm going to let this cook for around 1 to 2 minutes, nothing long at all, and then we'll start, when the noodles are ready, I'll start folding in the soy sauce and we'll show you what I do at the end with the sweet chilli as well to get you the best tasting option possible. So just a minute or two now, and that'll be us. That's the mix had in another minute or two. The noodles are ready. All I've done is drain them off. Just going to add them in. And again, I'd advise using a big pot for this because you are going to be mixing a lot of ingredients through, and it can get messy and just end up going over the sides if you're doing it in a frying pan. And while you're actually doing the mix itself, the initial part, you just want to keep it moving, otherwise it can stick to the bottom, all the eggs can get stuck and stuff. So next, in goes the soy sauce. I like a good bit of mine. Probably around 50 mils if I was to put a number on it. And then just stir that through again. Now it can be quite hard to break up the noodles at times. So what you can do is take 2 forks and just start kind of separating them a wee bit, rather than just having one big kind of clump of noodles. It gives you a mix when you're tripling them through. Hopefully I didn't knock that camera too much. This is almost just about ready, to be honest. It's good to go, so I'm going to turn off the heat and then I'll always add the sauce after, once I've cooked it. I don't add it in when I'm cooking it. I just like to use it to kind of coat the meal at the end. All you do now, same as before, just work that right through. And then that's you, good to go. And I'll show you the finished product in a second. All that's left to do is put the final touch on. So I'm just using around 20 grams of peanuts. I'll put a lid over the top of it there. Just going to back on into this, that'll do the job. A bit more. And that's you. Sorted. And that is 2 very quick and easy meals. Hopefully you enjoyed that video. If you want to know any more about me and what I do, please leave a message or drop me a message. Please leave a like and a comment below if you enjoyed it. Let me know if you'd like to see any future videos, any other topics, anything at all. Love to hear your thoughts, love your comments. Hopefully you enjoyed it. See you in the next one.